Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Yuti, and today we are going to learn how to scale an object without changing the stroke width. Take a look at this outline logo on my artboard. I have created some random logo. Um, right now, the stroke looks perfect, but if I try to resize it by holding Shift and just dragging one corner, the stroke gets too thick or it may be too thin. That is the problem. Normally, I would have manually adjust the strokes every time when I resizing it. But there is an easier way. Let's just undo the resize by pressing Ctrl Z, and now go to the window menu and select transform to open the transform panel. At the bottom of the panel, you will see the option called scale, stroke, and effects. Just check that box, and now when you resize the logo, the stroke will scale proportionally with it. The simple trick helps to keep your design looking consistent across the different sizes. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.